So basically saying it's not just a technology problem, it's even more so a people and process problem.
Yeah.
So do you think that's unique to customer data, or do you see parallels in I guess other areas where that the behind the scenes complexity really becomes a people and process thing?
Well, I would say that customer is just one domain of data. And so this goes across all domains of data, whether it's product data, sales data, etc. I will also say that I wasn't sure if you meant like beyond like data just in itself, but I think because data and AI is becoming such a big deal in the day-to-day of how our teams need to be more data-driven and how do we, take that information and be smarter in how we personalize experiences with customers. Um, because of that, uh, that that's become the reason why we need to solve for that right now, right? Not later, but right now. And what I've seen is that, with larger organizations, they tend to have a disconnect between those two teams, not because they're not working, um, they don't want to work with each other. It's more that they don't know how because they never
Yeah.
had to, right? It's not uncommon for an enterprise data team to say, our data is great. It's awesome. There's so much of it, and it's readily available for business teams to use. And then if you were to have a separate conversation with business teams, they will say, I don't trust the data. I don't know, I'm being told it's available, but I don't even know how do I request it or take a look at it to see what's available for use. There's that disconnect, which I've sort of called the customer data divide within organizations. And I think it's a real